Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show how to bring in all your email communication right inside a VtigerCRM with Email Plus. Let's start off by configuring your email. Initially choose your account type from this drop down and then provide your email ID and password. Once done, click on save button. So that's it, your email is right here. You can now start using it as like your Gmail. From this, you can compose your own email messages and share documents right from your local computer, or else you can use your VTager document in your email. With Email Plus, you can easily get to know whether the email is received from your existing customer or a new one. Just double click on any email. It will take you to the detail view. If the email is from your existing customer, you can get their details here. In case of a new customer, you can easily add them as your CRM leads or contacts. By click on this, you can create a contact. You can also efficiently organize your account by creating a new folders. All changes will automatically reflected in your Gmail accounts, so no longer need to juggle between your email and CRM. So thank you for watching.